The MiG-29, fast, agile, and designed to dominate dogfights. Introduced in the 1980s, it became the Soviet answer to Western fighters like the F-16. Twin RD-33 engines push it beyond Mach 2, while its tight turning radius makes it perfect for close-range combat. Its helmet-mounted targeting system was decades ahead of its time, allowing instant missile lock-ons. Armed with heat-seeking and radar-guided missiles, plus a 30mm cannon, the MiG-29 remains lethal even today. Despite its age, modernized versions still serve worldwide, proof of its enduring design. The MiG-29 is more than just speed. It's a Cold War icon that still commands respect in modern skies. Follow for more legendary fighter profiles and combat history.